Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up the settings app on my iPhone and you are going to see something super cool. So let me just go ahead and show you guys right here the moment of truth. And as you can see, this is the newest version of iOS. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak without a computer on this new version of iOS. So it's completely free to do. So what you need to do is follow along with my guide. If you're using an iPhone, swipe up on the control center and you need to make sure that this portrait orientation lock is on. This is very important. If this is turned off, it will not work. So just make sure that's on. And once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing website that allows you to jailbreak. So let me just show you guys the site. Once you're on this website, guys, you have a few options. You can find it in the featured app section, the all apps section, or the search bar. Personally, I like to use the search bar. So what I'm going to do is search up the jailbreak. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So all you have to do is type in jailbreak, and it's going to bring up the uncovered jailbreak method. So this is the method we're going to use to jailbreak. So in order to do this, all you have to do is press on it, click the button below start. So literally all you have to do is press this button and this will jailbreak your device. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. So it's going to load this progress bar and it's going to say like processing, injecting. You just want to wait until this reaches the end, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it load. All right, almost done, almost done. So you need to wait, guys, until this reaches the very end. It's going to say like starting injection. And anyways, once the bar is at the end, it's going to say setting up final stage. And then it's going to ask you to do a short verification by downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. This will just download the jailbreak in your device. These apps are totally free. They're from the official app store. So I'm going to pick 2 of them, download them, and run them. So as you can see, it says please complete 2 of the offers below, follow instructions fully. Once completed, it will become into your device, inject into your device. So I'm going to pick 2 of these apps like it says. So I'm going to download this. And then while this app is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list and pick 1 more app to download. You want to make sure, guys, that you download at least 2 of these. Otherwise, this will not work. And I sped this up for you guys. So let me just do that right here. And now I'm just going to do the other app instruction said to play it. So I'm going to do that. As you can see, speed this up for you guys. And then at the end, my device should be jailbroken. So I'm just going to play through this for a little bit more. And as you can see, Cydia. So this actually works, guys. It's super cool. So you can open up Cydia and use all the features in the newest version of iOS, which is super insane. And you can see that this is actually working. You got all the tweaks and features. So it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Share it with your friends. Get the word out about this insane method. I can't believe this actually works, guys. It's super cool. So yeah, definitely share this crazy method. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.